What started as a late-night rideshare dispute quickly turned into a tense police investigation after officers were called downtown over reports of an intoxicated woman damaging an Uber driver's vehicle. According to police, the situation began after an argument involving a pickup location escalated outside the rideshare vehicle, drawing attention from nearby officers already patrolling the area.
Her name is,
Go ahead.
Where's the... Carrie's. It's on the road, I left.
It's in the road?
Yeah.
Let's go talk to her.
Yeah, where's he gonna talk to us? 72 Gray Dodge is valid out of appointment. We'll be right back, okay?
We'll see if that goes back on.
Just do me a favor, sit in your car. Don't take any more lifts right now, okay?
No.
Perfect.
3 Delta 515.
51.
New link our call to a prior fitting place.
And stand right there.
Huh?
Just stand behind him. Hello. Hello. I got some questions for you. Did you try to get your friend a lift?
I don't know who she is. I was just bringing her a water. The person that's next to her apparently is her father.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you have anything to do with the lift?
You get mad at a lift?
I can try to get her one.
Did you get
Did
mad
you
at a lift driver?
At a lift driver?
No.
Because he described you to a T. No.
As officers began speaking with witnesses and the rideshare driver, conflicting stories quickly emerged about what actually happened near the vehicle. While the Uber passengers claimed the dispute started over confusion involving the pickup location, the driver told police that one of the women had allegedly damaged his vehicle while trying to stop him from leaving the scene.
I didn't have looked on my phone.
No, I know,
He
but
didn't say you're the one.
no
they're the ones
one
who
said that
it,
you
but
ordered it. But
You said you're the one that damaged his car.
I little bit in the back of Coyote Ugly and tap asked me the entire time. I came out to change out of my heels, bought her a water, and then came over here. I haven't even left, I promise.
Alright, well, for right now, we're doing an investigation right now for criminal mischief.
Yeah,
Alright,
listen to me, I promise.
alright, we'll verify that, and then after that, if it's not you, then it's not you. Alright?
I promise it's not me, so I'm not
You
worried.
got an ID on you? Fire station.
What was she wearing?
Jackets, black jackets.
Yeah?
She was holding the lady with the drunk.
What color was her hair?
I think it's like dark blonde, dark, skinny.
She wearing a red shirt underneath?
I think so.
Would you be able to identify her again? If you drove by, met me down at the corner of the 509, would you be able to tell me if it was her or not?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
Hey ma'am, do you mind doing me a favor? Face the roadway? We'll just look at the roadway for a second.
Yeah? Hi.
And then, now you can turn around.
It's not me.
No? Alright, cool. Alright, here's that for you.
she's with a drunk lady and 2 guys. They were over there.
So, right over here?
Yeah. They were sitting over there.
Hey, give me a second.
Have a good night, okay?
You guys have fun. Good
Hey,
luck.
thank you.
I just said you're doing your job. Like I
Alright,
said, I'm
cool.
not worried. It wasn't me.
Yeah.
Good luck.
That one? Alright.
You guys know what?
Can you step back? Wow. Jesus.
Oh, are you offended?
No, I'm not offended. I understand what you were doing.
No.
You're good. So
It's just really loud behind us.
so I guess you guys ordered an Uber, right?
We did?
Alright. You guys have an argument with the Uber?
We did not. He pulled away.
He pulled away? Did
'Cause
someone
we were
pull
on
off
that
it?
side of the road versus this side of the road, and
Yeah.
we disputed it on Uber, and I can show you.
Okay. Yeah, did someone pull
You didn't have that. You just ordered an Uber.
What?
did someone pull off his back windshield
Did you
wiper?
guys try to stop him in any way?
No, that's not, that was not our Uber. This is our Uber that he ordered here.
A lift, not an Uber.
Whatever,
excuse me.
ride sharing,
Right,
whatever.
right. This is our lift that he
I got
has
it.
just ordered, and we're just trying to
His
get her
whole
home.
dispute was we were on that side of the road and not on this side of the road.
I think the dispute was that there was a intoxicated lady that was too intoxicated.
And I'm more than willing to show you on Uber what he disputed it as. And
No,
that was
I
not
got
a-
you.
Yeah.
Did he write something on Uber?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Yeah. I'm
show
more
me.
than willing to show you. It's not
So,
my phone because it's
Either
not
way,
phone.
someone pulled off. Watch out, there's puke there. Did anyone hit the
yeah,
car?
Not that
So
I'm
that's
aware of,
that's what he's claiming, and there's damage to his car.
Okay. If there's damage
And
to his
he's
car,
pointing to
whatever.
you.
You need something, boss?
Fine. Whatever you got going on, let's just get it resolved. I'm not sure what happened.
That would be all right right there. That's all right.
We're just trying to get her out of here.
Okay. All right, I got you.
Whatever you need to do.
Give me a second.
That car right there.
That was the one that I was talking to?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, she's intoxicated. They're both intoxicated. All right. The damage is less than $25. Because when I looked at it, you're able to connect it back on. That it comes all together as one piece.
I just want to replace.
I would contact the company then.
Lift?
You could do lift and then
Lift, I'm doing it.
lift it through. Yeah, I think you already disputed the charge for them, right? And
No, I did. I just canceled the ride.
Did you cancel the ride?
Yeah.
I would. Do you have some kind of tracking?
I was trying to pull it up, but I can't. It's not coming up.
I know sometimes.
The encounter escalated further once officers attempted to identify everyone involved in the investigation. When police requested identification from one of the women connected to the disturbance, she refused to provide it and argued that officers had no reason to demand her information despite the ongoing criminal mischief investigation. Moments later, officers attempted to detain her after she reportedly tried to walk away from the scene while police were still actively investigating the complaint.
You can get with the company about it. Is it really worth $25 to take someone to jail for right now?
I'm just
Especially-
especially start kicking my car up, man.
I get it. And like I said, I've already assessed the damage. She's drunk. He's drunk. The other lady is drunker than them. And I'm glad you didn't take them because that throw up would have been in your car.
Yeah.
So we'll talk to her. Obviously, tell her she could have been charged. All that.
You don't need to stay here.
I know. I'm sorry, ma'am.
She needs to get them home right now.
As to why.
I'm
what
more
the
than happy.
drama
I
is
called
about.
the Uber. I did every.
Okay, so you can go over there, but I need her.
But I did everything.
Why?
She did
What's
nothing.
wrong?
Okay, you got an ID on you.
Why do you need my ID?
Because I need to identify who you are because I'm in investigation right now.
For what?
But she didn't do
Because
anything.
somebody...
As officers attempted to detain the woman near the rideshare vehicle, tensions on the street began rising as several people nearby reacted to the situation unfolding in front of them. Bodycam footage shows officers continuing to give verbal instructions while friends and witnesses try to explain their side of the incident and calm the atmosphere around the scene. During the encounter, police later stated that the woman physically resisted while officers were trying to secure her, which ultimately led to additional allegations connected to the detention.
He is claiming that there's criminal mischief here and that you broke his car.
And I'm not.
So I need IDs from you guys.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I called the Uber. I did
That
everything.
was my.
I need your ID. I need your ID.
She doesn't have it.
I need your ID.
Yeah, that's not happening. I don't know what
And
you're
we're more than willing to help. We're more than willing to help.
17.
But there's two sides to this story, and it's a whole nother
No, I don't
side.
need your card. I need your ID.
Sure,
Don't walk
I know,
away.
Nicky,
Don't walk away. Don't
Don't
fight. I don't
No, Nicky, no, Nicky, no.
Get her off me!
No.
Get her off me!
Guys,
Get her
what
off
the
me!
fuck?
Get her off!
We're good. We're good.
Get back up! Back
We're
up!
good.
I will tase you!
There's no need to.
I will tase you!
We're good. Guys, we're
Give me your
good.
hands! I will
Oh,
tase you!
today, what are we doing right now? We're good.
Get off!
I will
get
say
over
this.
here.
Nicky,
I
we're good. What are we
Relax,
doing?
relax. You got your handcuffs?
We have Pat Elliott.
Yeah, I know.
She did nothing.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Nicky,
Give me your other hand.
Nicky, do not resist right now.
What
Nicky,
is
have
wrong?
Give me your other hand.
What do you want? Give me
Your other hand.
There. There you go. Yeah, handcuffs?
Insane.
Yeah, handcuffs.
Guys,
Yep.
guys,
Say code 41012.
guys, what is wrong with you? Get off me! I am not a threat to you! Get off me! What is wrong with you? Oh my God!
What did she do?
What is wrong with you? Please stay with me.
Nicky, I got
I
you.
know, I know, it's okay.
Go
Just stay
take
with me.
these.
Just stay with me.
Yeah. Hold on to that, actually.
Okay, just stay with
Alright.
me.
Yeah,
Don't leave.
Nicky, I'm not
Ah,
leaving.
don't leave. Don't leave.
That's her phone, right?
Yes.
That's my phone.
That's her phone.
Don't leave.
What are we doing? Back up. Back up.
Leader to your side.
What is
Hey,
wrong with
you're being
you?
charged with
stand up.
battery LEO.
For what?
Because you hit me with your clutch. That's battery.
Why were you grabbing me?
Let's go. Stand
Why
up.
were you grabbing me?
Oh,
What are you doing?
Relax, 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 relax.
Do not fight.
Relax.
That's
Do
okay.
not fight. I will get shot. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight.
You already searched her yet?
Do not fight.
Alright, we're gonna...
She just kicked me.
I know.
I will never leave.
go ahead.
Do not fight. Do not fight.
Don't leave. Nah, don't leave.
I will not. Do
Don't
not fight.
leave.
I asked her to identify herself. She tried to walk away. So I grabbed her hand and she hit me with the punch.
That's all that.
She turned back and
Don't leave. Don't leave, please. I didn't do anything wrong.
Just take my watch off. It's
Later.
working. Just take
hang,
it off.
hang tight.
Or just whatever.
You want your watch off?
I don't know. Just do something with it.
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna take that watch off. Alright. You were able to search her?
Yeah.
Stand up though.
I got it. Okay.
I just need her.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. I'm sorry.
We're gonna
could
put her
you
in the car.
At least put my watch in the clutch so it doesn't get scratched.
Yeah, it's on.
Well.
Don't worry. Do you want all your stuff with her? Him?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Stand by. Hey!
Are you kidding? Are you kidding? No, I'm not kidding. No, you just fucking kicked me. Look at the chat.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Nikki, we got you, Nikki. Let her know we got this.
Oh, isn't it nice?
We're good. Oh, okay.
She doesn't need me in the chat.
Go right to
As the interaction continued, officers worked to separate everyone involved while trying to better understand what had taken place near the rideshare vehicle. Bodycam footage shows a tense but emotional scene as people nearby continued talking with officers and attempting to explain different versions of the incident while police tried to keep the situation under control.
Yep. Take her straight to the jail. Or straight to Valor.
Okay.
She's gonna be combative, so. Oh, you gotta take this.
I'll take it.
Here.
Alright.
Anything I can do?
Now she's going to jail. She's got...
What's she do wrong?
She kicked me.
Oh,
She hit her with a purse.
I tried to tell her don't do that.
Yeah. Obviously, she had too much to drink tonight.
She didn't pee, did she?
Thanks for coming back, obviously. So are you wanting the press charges for the damage
Well, I
done?
hope that I tried to turn it on. The thing doesn't look like it's working.
It's unconnected.
Yeah.
You have the other portion of it? There's another portion of it, like that I gave you. So that's the arm.
Yeah.
And then from what it is, there's another piece with it, but this arm goes in like that
Yeah.
and
The thing is
snaps
stuck.
in.
I tried to turn it on, it wouldn't wind.
Oh, wood wine.
No.
Okay, so you're gonna have to, usually these are like $25 at a store, anything like that. Are you wanting the press charges for the vandalism then?
If it helped y'all, sure, why not?
I mean, she's already looking at felony charges.
Okay.
This right here is a misdemeanor. It's all up to you. It's your property.
Well, the thing is that, see, I turned it on.
You get it sprayed. It ain't working.
It's like, yeah.
It could be a gamble, like maybe a little bit more than $45 if that's the motor's not working.
Yeah.
So it really just depends on what you want.
You got my number. She can call, you know. I'll buy it back if that's what it is. If it's...
Oh, well, no, what I'm getting at is obviously this is a criminal mischief. If you're one of the press charges, we'll go forward with the charges, then she'll be liable for it. The criminal aspect of it, not saying that she can pay you back because of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That would be something totally civil
I gotta go
afterwards.
through that whole court system.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, I work too much. I'm too busy.
Okay, I got you.
So I work 3 jobs, man.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, you know, I'm a realtor and I do insurance.
You're a registered owner of this vehicle?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean,
This is my car, man. I've been doing it for like 3 years out there.
And no other problems, right?
Huh?
No other problems besides this.
Not really, no.
All right. Well, all right. Well, like I said, she was intoxicated.
Yeah.
Made some poor decisions.
Yeah.
But she's definitely going for felonies.
As a realtor, as an insurance agent, I don't like my name coming up in the point system.
Okay.
I have to have like the cleanest record.
I got you. All right. Well, I had your phone number, and
I'll let him know.
I'll add you into the call. Your name was what?
Terry,
Terry.
that's me on the card.
Okay. All right. Cool.
All right.
Thanks, sir.